lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine.
So the past few days I have been feeling kind of down and kind of unmotivated. I'm having second thoughts about my shop. And I don't know, I've been kind of stuck. And so what I kind of like to do when I'm stuck is just watch other YouTubers and creators that I kind of resonate with, who are, in the creative space as me. And I don't know, it kind of helps me even when I'm super down in the dumps, and I can just, have some sense of comfort in these videos, and they kind of start inspiring me to like even just doodle or just draw on my iPad, or just do little things that kind of help me get through the day. So yeah. Hello, so I am currently in the workspace studio. I'm actually finishing the video for today. Currently it's just me and my husband, but he's working, so I don't know if you guys hear any loud noise. Basically, I wanted to unbox my tote bag. So I actually designed a tote bag, and it's from a little thrift store, and I wanted to do like kind of an unboxing and like show you my immediate reaction. Hopefully it turns out the way that I designed it. I've been trying to get a little bit more creative because I'm not actually sure entirely of what I want to do for my shop, but I do want to have like little other things other than like clothing. So yeah, let me just open it. Oh my gosh, this is so... Okay, I'm kind of shaking. Oh my gosh. This is my first design. If you guys want it, let me know in the comments if you guys want it. I'm actually gonna be opening my shop hopefully today, if anything, probably by the end of this week. So yeah, this will be available in my shop. I'm so excited. It actually turned out really good. Actually way better than I thought that it would turn out, but yeah, this is how it looks, and that's all I can say. I don't know. I'm so excited. It looks so cute. Can't wait to go thrifting with this, and yeah. What do you think about the cookies, Matcha? I wanted to come on here and just talk a little bit about where I've been. It has been honestly a quite long time since I've been on YouTube. I guess we could start on where I basically ended off with my last video, which was leaving Monterrey. Basically, I left Monterrey last year and we moved here to Seattle. I had gotten a regular, retail job again. Decided to just do that and also be kind of doing social media on the side. I also managed two businesses and I realized that it was kind of a lot. So I decided to just not do social media managing and just focus on retail. Then I got laid off. And so I decided to kind of focus again on social media. And I also got Invisalign this year. I always have wanted braces. I've always been kind of insecure in that. And at 23 years old, I finally was able, thankfully, through health insurance. If you guys want a video, I can do a little video on my journey through that. Comment down below if you guys want a video. And of course, I literally forgot, I have kitties. I do have two kitties. So I have one, his name is Matcha, and the other one, his name is Ace. We adopted them through a cat cafe. We have been wanting cats for like 2 years around there, and we just felt like it was the right time to adopt two kitties. I also have continued on with my thrift shop. If you didn't know, I have a little thrift shop called Shop Melon Haze or Melon Haze. I have decided to, really focus on that right now because I have a lot of plans in my life, and one really big thing that I've always wanted to do is to have my own little store, and I eventually want to transform my thrift store into a sustainable shop for mainly petite women of all different sizes and shapes. So I'm just kind of slowly doing that by doing my secondhand shop and kind of diving into the business world, see where that leads me. And honestly, that's been what I've been doing. I also got an iPad and I've been kind of like doodling and stuff. If you saw my previous thumbnails, I would try to, doodle my thumbnails and try to draw on them. And honestly, I'm still really not good at all. Just creating any kind of form of a way that I can create, I try to do that in those little ways. I don't know where my life will lead me, but I am so glad to be back on YouTube. I told myself I wasn't gonna do a video until I did my hair and I was gonna be all pretty, and honestly, I just told myself, stop worrying about all of that and just do a video. We'll see where this journey takes us. Bye, you guys.